In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows 10. If you're searching for a great alternative to Microsoft Office, LibreOffice is an excellent choice. It's completely free, open source, and packed with all the features you need for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Let's walk through the installation process together. First, we'll need to start by opening up your preferred web browser. Navigate to Google and in the search bar, type in LibreOffice Download. Hit Enter and you should see the official LibreOffice website among the top results. Click on the link that says Download LibreOffice. This will direct you to the main download page of LibreOffice's official site. On this page, the website is designed to automatically detect your operating system, whether it's Windows 64-bit, Mac OS, or Linux. For most of you, this step is automated. So if your operating system is displayed correctly, simply click on the download button. However, if you find that automatically the correct version is not selected, there's no need to worry. You can manually choose your OS from a drop-down menu. Once you've ensured that you're downloading the correct version for your system, look for a button or link to begin the download. It might look something like LibreOffice Chapter 25 8.1 Win-64 MSI. The file size is around 349 megabytes, so depending on your internet speed, give it a few minutes to download. While your file is downloading, you might take a moment to organize your files. This installer will likely save to your Downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise in your browser settings. Once your download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder. You'll be looking for an icon labeled LibreOffice with a file extension ending in .msi. Now, it's time to start the installation. To do this, double-click the installer file. This action will launch the installation wizard. And don't worry, the wizard will guide you through each step. When prompted, click Next. Now, you'll have the option to choose the type of installation. For simplicity, especially if you're new to these kinds of programs, I recommend selecting Typical Installation. It covers all the essentials without overwhelming customization choices. Once selected, click Next, followed by Install. Now, your computer will begin installing LibreOffice. This might take a few moments. Finally, once the installation completes, all you need to do is click Finish. And there you have it. LibreOffice is now installed on your computer, ready to assist you with all your productivity tasks. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy exploring all that LibreOffice has to offer.